The quality of the air we breathe has an impact on our physical and mental well-being. There has been concern lately over the quality of the air we breathe, especially in confined indoor spaces like an aircraft. Indoor air can include harmful things like molds, chemicals, and viral or bacterial pathogens. Outdoor air is typically considered fresh and clean. That is because outdoor spaces have naturally occurring ions that come from the sun, the wind, and water sources. These air ions are electrically charged molecules or atoms that continuously work to clean the air in nature. The concentration of naturally occurring ions is lower indoors without natural energy sources, so particles like dust, dander, pollen, and pathogens can remain suspended in the air. Ionization is a proven technology that can eliminate these potential dangerous particles. Duncan Aviation has been installing an air cleaning ionization component from Aviation Clean Air that is designed to work with the aircraft's existing environmental control system and actively purify the air and surfaces in the entire aircraft during all phases of flight. Using patented bipolar ionization technology, the ACA system introduces ions to the aircraft cabin and flight deck air. These negatively and positively charged ions combine with particles suspended in the air or found on surfaces. Particles of opposite polarity cluster together. This contact between ion and pathogen disrupts the surface proteins, inactivating them, and provides continuous protection when the system is running. ACA's independent testing has found the system effective against pathogens that cause the common cold, flu, MRSA, E. coli, pneumonia, polio, and the coronavirus that causes COVID-19. In addition to pathogens, the ACA system neutralizes potential harmful gases, offensive odors, and reduces static electricity. What's more, it has been used in other industries for years. The technology has been installed in hundreds of thousands of office buildings, schools, airports, hotels, and other community spaces worldwide. Don't take chances with your health or others. Install an ACA ionization system and rest easy, knowing the air quality in your aircraft is the best it can be.